Hey, paisanos, it's the Super Mario Brothers Super Show!
With the Mario Brothers and plumbing's our game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. If your sink is in trouble, you can call us on the double. We're faster than the others, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Hooked on the brothers. Yo, you're in for a treat, so hang on to your seat. Get ready for adventure and remarkable feats. You'll meet Koopas and Troopers, the princess and the others. Hanging with the plumbers, you'll be hooked on the brothers. To the bridge. The brothers, the brothers, the brothers.
Time for a new day. But as we always say, neatness counts.
That's right, Mario. And by the way, you have a little piece of spaghetti on your overalls.
You, Luigi. And you have a little bit of spaghetti sauce on your shirt, as usual.
Really? And your shoes are dirty.
And your socks don't match.
Yeah, you got 5 cavities.
Hello?
Hello?
I didn't say hello.
I didn't either.
Well, I did. Over here. Hi, are you the Mario Brothers?
Sure are. Oh, you're Nicole Eggert. We watch your show all the time. Mario and I are your biggest fans.
What are you doing in the medicine cabinet?
Well, I'm checking the expiration date on your toothpaste. It's very important, you know. Can I come in?
Sure, come on in.
Nicole Eggert.
Well, it says right here that you two are the best plumbers in Brooklyn and quite possibly the world.
Yes, Nicole, that is absolutely true. Not only that, but we are also very, very neat and clean. In fact, what do we always say, Mario?
Hey, you slob, that's my pizza.
No. Neatness counts.
Oh, yeah.
Good. I need my kitchen sink fixed.
Certainly come to the right place. We'll demonstrate right now just how good we are with absolutely no obligation.
Well, I really don't have much time. See, I'm on my way to a party.
But this will only take a second. Hey, as you can see here, we have a clogged sink. And it'll be fixed in a few seconds. Luigi! Begin. I'm stuck.
Look, I really should be going.
Wait, this will only just take a few seconds. If you stay tuned, it'll sure be neat.
Like our motto says, the customer is always wet.
Yo, it's the Mario Brothers, and plumbing's the game. Found the secret water while working on the drain. Lend the princess a hand in the mushroom land. Join the action with the plumbers, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Now, evil Koopa and his troopers are up to misbehaving. They kidnapped the princess, mushroom land needs saving. Abusing and confusing everybody discovers they can't help but be hooked on the brothers.
Plumber's log number 101, the land of ice. Me and my brother Luigi had just rescued Princess Toadstool from King Koopa, and we're looking for the magic that would set her kingdom free and get us home to Brooklyn.
Hey! Let me go! I'm warning ya! I get airsick! Help!
Oh, no!
Don't worry, Princess. Luigi and me will climb that mountain before you can say spaghetti and meatballs.
I can't. I'm allergic to mountains.
Okay, wait here. And if you become lunch for a polar bear, don't blame us.
A polar bear? Lunch?
Everybody's heard about the bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird. Bird is a word, well, a bird. Well, a bird is a word, well, a bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird. Well, a bird is a word, well, a bird.
Cheepy, my darling little Cheepy. Give Mommy a kiss.
What are you trying to do, you wacko bird? Drown me?
Mommy missed her little Cheepy so much.
Mommy? You're not my mommy.
Oh, you're such a jokester.
Wow!
Now, where did I put that telephone? Aha! Hello? Oh, it's the Missing Bird Bureau. You can call off the thirst for my missing baby. I found my little sweetums. It was a terrible picture of you anyway, little Cheepy.
I'm not your little cheepy.
Oh, Cheepy, quit kidding around and give Mommy a hug.
Wow!
Oh, this is a fun game. Kiss 'em, kiss 'em, kiss 'em, they're coming.
I gotta get out of here.
Oh no! We'll never save Toad now!
He was the nicest little fungus I ever knew.
Luigi, we can't quit now. Remember the plumber's motto.
Who could forget? Don't take chances or you'll go down the drain.
No, when the pipe is plugged, keep plunging. Hasta power! Come on, Princess, you can do it too.
Hasta power!
Mamma mia! Whoa! Whew.
See? I told you we'd be perfectly safe.
It's them, Princess Toadstool and those two faucet freaks. Come on, Flaky. Let's tell King Koopa so we can put him on ice for good.
Well, at last, you two powder puffs did something right.
Thank you, your extremist, most royal and regal Koopaness.
Watch it, soldier. When I want my feet licked, I'll ask for it. I want my feet licked. This will be the last time those pinhead plumbers throw a monkey wrench into my evil plans. Attention, Koopa Troopers! It's airing time!
Rock-a-bye, little Cheepy, on the mountain so high. If you get lost again, your mommy will cry.
I can't be your little cheepy lady. I don't have wings. Look, no wings, no feathers. I'm just a mushroom that can't stand heights.
Oh, Cheepy, you're such a teaser.
Cuckoo, cuckoo.
I almost forgot. It's time for your flying lessons.
Flying lessons? Are you out of your mind?
I just hope we can reach Toad before something terrible happens to him.
Or to us.
Cheer up, Luigi. It could be worse.
Worse? How could it be worse? Mario! It's a bomb!
And I was hoping for a nice salami sandwich.
Oh no! King Koopa must have found us!
Look out! Here comes a whole squadron of King Koopa's bombers!
Good going, guys.
Not good enough. Those other albatross are up to something.
It's an avalanche! Let's get out of here!
I hate to run on an empty stomach.
We've gotten ourselves in a real mess. Stay tuned.
While Mario finds something else to ruin Nicole's clothes, watch this.
We're trapped. Now how do we save Toad?
You're not listening, lady. I don't want flying lessons.
Mommy knows best, little cheapie.
Look, lady, I got 10 gold coins. They're yours if you just let me go.
I'll let you go, Sweetum, at 30,000 feet. Look, a fire flower.
I'm hungry enough to eat anything.
No, it's magic. If you can reach it, you can become a Super Mario and get special firepower that can destroy King Koopa's evil helpers.
That's easy. Come on, Luigi. Patty cake, pasta man. Give me pasta power as fast as you can. Pasta power! I love when that happens. Follow me!
For badness below and behind the call of cruelty, I, the devious King Koopa, bestow these medals of the double cross.
They have important news, Your Royal Koopaness. The princess and her plumbers survived the avalanche.
They what? You bumbling beak geeks blew it! Ah! I'll have to lead the next attack myself!
I'd pay $200 for a nice pepperoni cheesecake right now. Who called me cheap? I'll pay $300.
Look,
What is that thing?
it's a baby bird, oh Luigi, and it needs our help. It's frozen inside the ice.
Stand back.
Mommy, little Cheepy wants Mommy. Do you think his mommy is the one who took Toad?
Here we are, little cheapie. 30,000 feet. Now Mommy will let you fly. Happy landings.
Lady, I'm not a bird! The least that Mega Brain could have done was lend me a parachute. Hey, that's it! A parachute!
Toad, are you all right?
I feel great! I just passed my first flying lesson. Hey! It's me! I mean, him! It's little Cheepy, the Fido's real lost baby!
Little Cheepy wants his mommy. Toad, do you know where his mommy is?
Oh, no! I'm not going back up there! Never!
Mommy! I want my mommy!
Okay. Maybe if I take you back, she'll leave me alone.
Start climbing, paisano. We'll stay here and keep King Koopa occupied.
King Koopa? Where?
Super Mario. Super cook that goose.
Koopa Troopa Pack! Attack! Put out that Super Plumber's fire!
Don't worry, Mario. We'll beat him without superpowers.
It's too late, Princess. They got us surrendered.
It's all over, scum scrubbers! Ah! Who threw that vegetable?
We did!
Everybody's heard about the bird, 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 bird. The bird's a word, a well, a bird, bird,
Retreat!
bird. Bird is a word,
Retreat!
a well, a bird, 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 a well, a bird is a word, a well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's
Come
a
on,
word, a well, a bird,
sweeties.
bird, bird, bird.
We've got to make the world safe for a little teepee. Let's get those insects.
A well, a bird, 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 a well, a bird is a
I
word.
told her how you rescued a baby. She wanted to help.
Don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a word, a well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word, a well, a...
I'll be back! You haven't heard the last of King Koopa!
Well, everybody's
Thanks,
heard
lady.
about the
We
bird.
couldn't have done it without you.
You saved my little teepee. Would you like to come to dinner?
Dinner? That's the best news I've heard in days.
I cooked this just for you, Mario. My favorite recipe.
My favorite dish, spaghetti.
Spaghetti? We're not spaghetti. We're worms.
Worms?
I've never been so insulted in my whole life.
Oh, Nicole, I'm so sorry. This never, ever happened before.
Oh, yeah? What about the time when we drenched the mailman?
No, sit. So why don't you come up here and stay by the furnace? It's nice and warm. It'll dry you off. I'll move the cake. Oh.
I'm sorry. It does that once in a while.
Oh, Nicole, this is terrible. Come over here. Ha ha! Oh.
What's having your birthday?
I'm only kidding. This is terrible. Come over here. Oh, gosh, this is terrible. Oh, have a seat. No. Oh, Nicole, come over here. I'll get the chair clean. Over there.
This is terrible.
Yeah, but somehow on her it looks good. What are you looking for?
Something to clean the coal up with. Here you go.
A lint brush? Got any other great ideas?
Yeah, how about showing us some scenes for the next Legend of Zelda?
Good idea.
This is the Triforce of Wisdom, Link. The evil wizard Ganon has the Triforce of Power. Whoever gets both Triforces will rule this land forever. You must help me, Link.
Hey, for you, Zelda, anything.
Move it, you boneheads! Get us out of here!
Whoa! Toasty! Eat dirt, Ganon!
Get them now!
Nice job, hero.
Hey! Excuse me, princess.
We'll pay for everything.
No, don't worry about
Oh,
it.
please, Nicole, we'll do all your plumbing for free.
No, really, it's okay.
We'll make you free pizza.
Yeah, we'll wash your clothes.
We'll make your bed. We'll brush your teeth.
Boys, I told you not to worry about it. See, actually, this is perfect.
It is?
Yeah, remember I was telling you I was going to a party?
Yeah.
Well, it's a sloppy party. See, the person who dresses the sloppiest wins. You saved me a trip of picking up a costume. The sloppier, the better.
Really?
Really?
Well, in that case...
Stay tuned. The Sloppy Mario Brothers will return.
Till next time, everybody, do the Mario!
Do the Mario! Swing your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go. Do the Mario. Take one step, and then again. Let's do the Mario all together now. You got it. It's the Mario. Do the Mario. Swing your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go. Do the Mario. Take one step, and then again. Let's do the Mario all together now. Come on now, just like that.